Every year, right before Easter, we get lots of questions asking us if we have any suggestions on how to heat your side dishes since the ham hogs up so much oven space. Well, you could do a lot of juggling, but we think it's a lot easier and less stressful if you cook your ham in a slow cooker. The first thing we do is place a 4 to 5 pound semi-boneless ham in a 5-quart or larger slow cooker with the fat side up. We want the fat on the top so as it cooks, it keeps the meat nice and moist. Now for the part that'll give this all its flavor. We mix together some honey, orange juice, apple cider vinegar, a bit of dried rosemary and ground cloves, along with some freshly grated orange zest. This goes over the ham, we cover it, and we cook it low and slow for 3 to 4 hours until it's heated through. This will leave us plenty of space in the oven to make all our other goodies. Come dinner time, no need to worry if everything will be hot, thanks to our slow cooker. And once your gang tastes the ham with the orange honey glaze, the only thing you'll be hearing is lots of oohs and ahs. To get the recipe for our slow-cooked orange glazed ham, just check out our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a slow and easy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Hey, Kelly, you want to try some?